Good morning, girls. And today we discuss about the equilibrium of a firm and industry under perfect competition. Now we first discuss about the meaning of perfect competition. The perfectly competitive market refers to a market structure where a large number of firms produce and sell similar products and each individual firm sells the product at a market determined given price to a large number of buyers. An individual firm has no control over the price and it is a price taker. यानी परफेक्ट कंपटीशन मार्केट वो मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर है, वो मार्केट का एक ढांचा है जिसमें कि लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स या प्रोड्यूसर्स कह लीजिए या सेलर्स कह लीजिए जो कि सिमिलर टाइप के प्रोडक्ट को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और प्रत्येक फर्म्स जो हैं, जो इंडिविजुअल फर्म्स हैं, वो जो मार्केट के द्वारा प्राइस डिटरमिन किए जाते हैं उसी पर अपने प्रोडक्ट को सेल करते हैं लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बायर्स को। दूसरी महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि किसी भी इंडिविजुअल फर्म को प्राइस के ऊपर अपना कोई नियंत्रण नहीं होता है, यानी देयर इज नो कंट्रोल ऑफ इंडिविजुअल फर्म्स ओवर द प्राइस in this competition or in this market so that and it is a price taker। जब कीमत के ऊपर कोई नियंत्रण नहीं होता है बाजार के किसी इंडिविजुअल फर्म का, तो ये सारी फर्में जो हैं वो प्राइस टेकर कहलाती हैं बिकॉज द प्राइसेस आर डिटरमिन्ड बाय द मार्केट फोर्सेस। नो एनी इंडिविजुअल फर्म कैन control over the price of the products so that all these firms in a perfect competition are called price taker. And we can define it also. It is the meaning and we can also define it. Perfect competition is a market in which there are many firms selling identical products with no firm large enough relative to the entire market to be able to influence market price. This is the definition. And now we discuss about the assumptions of the perfect competition, यानी perfect competition की क्या मान्यताएं हैं, क्या assumptions हैं। Assumptions: the theory of perfect competition is built on a number of key assumptions relating to the firm and industry, and important assumptions are: number one, first assumption, there are a large number of buyers and sellers, each of when buys and sells only a small fraction of all that is bought and sold in the market. Second assumption, all the firms in the industry sell an identical product. In other words, the products traded in the market is homogeneous. And third assumption, all participants in the markets, buyers and sellers alike, known as the nature of the product being sold, the price charged by each firm, sources of supply, and so on. In other words, there is a perfect knowledge of the market to buyers and sellers. And fourth assumption is there is a freedom of entry and exit. Any new firm is a free to enter the industry and starts producing if it is so wishes, and any existing firms is free to stop production and leave the industry, यानी free exit or entry. The firm is a price taker. The price of a product is given for it, and it can alter its rate of production and sales without affecting the price of the product. And last assumption is there is a perfect mobility of the factors of a production. And now, okay, girls.